The Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 versus the Continental WinterContact 8S, a direct winter performance comparison between two premium cold weather tyres engineered for tyres who demand confidence when temperature drops. One is a proven veteran with years of winter credibility, the other is Continental's brand new OE winter platform, designed specifically for Middle European winter conditions. Let's find out who is better. In this video, the results are expressed in percentages, with the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 set as the reference point at 100%. These data are sourced from 2025 Sport Auto Winter Tyre Tests. In the wet, the Michelin established an early safety margin. Under braking, the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 stops 0.7 meters shorter, translating to a roughly 2% advantage. Through the handling section, it carries 1.3 km/h more speed, giving it a similar 2% edge in stability and cornering confidence. The biggest gap appears in straight-line aquaplaning. Here, Michelin holds a 5.2 km/h longer, delivering a clear 6% advantage in water evacuation and high-speed control. On snow, this becomes much more of a balanced fight. In braking, the Michelin again edges ahead, stopping 0.3 meters shorter, about a 1% advantage. But in traction, the story flips. The Continental generates 0.76 newtons more pulling force, translating to a strong 11% advantage in grip off the line. Though in snow handling costs, the Michelin carries 1.1 km/h more speed, giving it a 1% edge in stability and direction control. Even in dry conditions, differences still show. In dry braking, the Michelin stops 1.7 meters shorter, delivering a roughly 4% advantage. On the handling costs, the gap nearly disappears. The Michelin just carries about 0.5 km/h more speed, which rounds out to 0% real-world difference in lap time performance. In interior noise, the Michelin runs 2.1 dB quieter than Continental. And in real-world terms, a gap of more than 2 dB is huge. It translates to a noticeable, calmer, more refined drive, especially at highway speeds where wind and tire noise dominate cabin comfort. When it comes to efficiency, the advantage shifts slightly to Continental. The WinterContact 8S measures a coefficient value of 0.1 lower in rolling resistance, giving it about a 1% efficiency aid. When it comes to pricing, in the 275/35 R19, the pricing gap is significant. The Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 comes in at 25% more expensive compared to the Continental WinterContact 8S. In summary, the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 stands out for its stronger wet and dry safety margins, noticeably quieter ride, and consistently balanced handling feel that inspires confidence across challenging winter conditions. On the other hand, the Continental WinterContact 8S counters with powerful snow traction, slightly better efficiency, and a much more attractive price point, making it a compelling option for drivers who want premium performance without paying the premium.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.